it's Rob here and welcome to my unboxing of my new kit, the Tamiya Plasma Edge 2 on the TT02B chassis. I've got Mark filming for me.
Hi guys.
And as I say, this is my new kit. I fortunately got onto a website, I think just in the nick of time, and ordered this, and then actually mentioned it to you, didn't I, Mark, to say, oh, Time Tunnel's got some of these in, you want to get one if you can before they're all sold out. And
yeah, well, we were both talking about getting one, weren't we?
We
so
were.
I went on as soon as Rob told me, and lo and behold, they'd all gone. So he was just in the nick of time there.
I was. So I think what we'll do is we'll empty the box and show you without any of those plastic bits, I think. Plastic wrapper bags, things, doobies.
Cool, let's do it, mate.
Here we are, it's all laid out for you. We haven't taken everything out the bags. One or two things have broken off in transit,
Yeah.
I would have to say. So some of those we've left in. We've left the metal parts, bags in, all wrapped up, because you've seen them all before. But hey, unlike the Darpin Impact, I've got A, B and C. Cool, I don't have to find out what's what first. So first, we've got a standard, shall we say, build guide for the TT02B.
It's a generic, I call it, isn't it? A generic build guide.
So, same old stuff, really well laid out. And then we can move on to the separate sheet that we get, as it's the Plasma Edge gunmetal. And unlike other kits, there's no painting instructions because it's already painted for you, which is a good thing and a kind of bad thing, as I'll show you in a second.
Well, I think it's good for the one reason, Rob, is that I've tried to get some gunmetal paint and I can't get any anywhere. So if you wanted to spray the standard one gunmetal, you couldn't.
Well, there we go.
So yeah, good call.
Yeah, and sticker pack.
Nice.
It's very nice. I think it's different, isn't it, than the ordinary Plasma Edge?
You're not sure, mate?
No, I can't remember. I haven't actually looked
I know
that
it's
closely.
got the checkers on it, on the standard one, but I'm not sure about the colours.
No, nor me. And on the back you've got three window stickers even.
Instead of window masks.
Instead of window masks. And the other good thing about this is, as I say, it's come pre-painted and obviously pre-cut, and all the holes cut in them, apart from the wibbly wobbly hole here by the looks of it, which it is going to have a wibbly wobbly, dude, because
it is?
Yeah.
Oh, you've blown up your receivers, haven't you?
Yeah, and I can't get any.
Okay.
Still haven't got any in stock.
Right.
I think worldwide now.
So we're going old school on this one then?
We are.
Cool.
We're going to have to.
I like that.
Yeah, I don't mind. And again, all nicely cut out and pre-painted, ready for you. And then we've got some metal part plastic bits for the drivetrain. We've got a black servo saver.
Yeah.
So, I've not had much joy with black ones before. I don't know about you, dude.
Well, braking.
Yeah.
It's different plastic, isn't it?
It is, yeah. So we'll see how we go with that.
Right.
And then these day glow, I would
They
say.
are luminous, aren't they?
Yeah, yellow.
I like those.
They are nice, yeah.
The star dishes are nice anyway.
They are, yeah. And then we've got the plastic diff gears with the diff housings. And again, coming back to parts bags, we've got metal parts bag A, which surprised us both. We've got AW grease in it. Yeah. Woohoo! I was getting low on that.
Yeah, that's good stuff. I remember when I bought my Neo School, which I bought 5 years ago, it didn't come with the AW grease, so that's something they've added.
Yeah. And parts bag B, which looks to be the shocks, with what we also noticed is some rather large O-rings.
Yeah, don't know what they're for.
We'll have to find out what they're for. And I think I might not be bothering with the is that medium
it's medium.
soft?
I think it's 600, is it? I
I
think.
can't remember. I can never remember.
I think it's number 600. I think.
I think I might be going thicker than that straight off, because I don't know about anybody else, but whenever I do it, especially doing it to whatever the standard pinholes are for.
I'd probably tell you to put the one with the 2 holes.
Yeah.
In, yeah.
You don't. I don't think you seem to get any damping at all
No.
with that oil.
I've used that one, I think, with the 1 hole in the piston with that oil, and it seems to be okay.
Right.
So that's one way to go.
And then we got parts bag C, which is just the various other bits and bobs for the running gear and the wheel nuts. Looks like they've supplied an extra one there, dude.
Yeah, you normally get 1 spare.
Do you?
Yeah.
I've never noticed before. And then I've purchased, on top of that, the metal ball races.
That's an essential, isn't it, mate?
It is, yeah. So this bag in the bin.
In the round file.
And then we got 2 sets of shocks. The back one's longer.
And these are black, aren't they? Because the
And they are black, yes.
plasma edges are white, aren't they?
Yes,
very
that's
short,
right.
isn't it, for a buggy, for a
Yeah.
front one? Blimey.
So we'll have to see how long the piston rods are for the shocks. And then we got the prop shaft plastic, but that'll stay like it is for now.
You can't get the Tamiya props. I've looked at those as well. They're, in this COVID nightmare we're in, you can't get anything from Tamiya at the moment.
And then we've then got the lower wishbones,
Front and back, isn't
front
it? Yeah.
and back, yeah. And the difference between the TT02 and the TT02B is possibly one of these or both of these. Lots here is we've just got this one upright because somewhere here we've got proper steering C hubs or C.
I think we do call them C hubs or C cups.
Yeah.
I call them C hubs.
And then the
Uprights.
uprights.
Or wheel carriers, I don't know. What.
Yeah. No, nor me, but hey.
They hold the wheels on.
Yes.
The wheel shafts.
And allow it to turn. And those are the rear ones, aren't they there?
Yeah.
By the looks of that.
They are, yeah.
And then we've got bumper stuff.
This is the really soft plastic, isn't it? The bumper's made of. Really, and the shock towers are very, very flexible.
They are.
On those.
And
This is your harder plastic, isn't it?
This is the harder plastic, and we've got some diff covers, motor cover.
I wouldn't bother with that,
I
mate.
might not put it on this one. And the motor mount plate.
I think you're better off with the heatsink, mate. That
Yeah.
just kind of covers the motor up.
Yeah.
Stops the airflow, if you ask me.
Oh, more 12mm hexes. I noticed there was some over there as well, so we'll have an
And there's one
abundance.
that's come off here, look.
Possibly. Oh, they're deeper ones.
They're the deep
so
ones, you won't be using
no,
those.
we won't be using them. And then the TT02 chassis, which is, from looking at that, identical to every other TT variant of the TT02, with all this strengthening. But for some reason, on these, I think it's probably down to the body not covering the wheels. You don't tend to get stone chips,
I think you're right, it's
in
the
there
body, yeah.
that
But
locks the steering.
it might be worth filling these up.
I might well do.
I filled mine up with hot glue on my last build, and that seemed to work quite well, so...
Cool. I think that's about it, isn't it, dude?
Oh,
Whoa!
look what I found!
We've got a
Can you
black
see that,
wobbly
please?
wobbly. So, I think that's about it. So, I hope you've enjoyed this and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers!
See ya!
Bye! Oh, we forgot the tyres.
They're very good.